Sharap played Ritham Athar, and he has a big role in the next chapter. Confidence.
Emotional the package in and off the sin the continue the so main the emotional the lay pay kabojaso in a think about some emotional pay about your cancer as a part to pay capture theory when it's in a magic chick as a labor should